What's the meaning of black velvet? Black velvet. Black velvet.
Black velvet. Black velvet. Black velvet typically refers to a type of fabric that has a plush, soft texture and a dark appearance. It is often used in fashion for clothing items such as blazers, dresses, and pants, as well as for decorative purposes, like upholstery and curtains. Additionally, black velvet is also the name of a popular alcoholic drink made with Guinness beer and champagne. In some contexts, the term may also be used metaphorically to describe something that appears smooth and polished on the surface but is actually dark or sinister underneath. Overall, black velvet has a range of meanings and applications in different contexts.